Set the circular saw blade depth to just above the plywood thickness and cut with controlled, short passes to safely remove bathroom subfloor. Start by confirming the subfloor thickness with a probe or by measuring an exposed edge. Then set the blade depth to no more than 1/8 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch beyond that thickness, so you cut only plywood and not joists or hidden surfaces. Walk the space and use a strong magnet or stud finder with metal mode to locate nails and screws, then pry up any obvious fasteners before cutting to prevent kickback and blade damage. If plumbing or electrical might run beneath the board, make a series of shorter cuts rather than one long rip so you can stop quickly if you hit resistance and inspect the cavity. Maintain a firm, two-handed grip and a stable stance. Keep the shoe of the saw flat against the surface and feed the saw at a moderate pace rather than forcing it. Always wear eye protection, hearing protection, and gloves, and keep the work area dry and free of standing water to reduce the risk of shock and slipping. Finally, work with adequate ventilation and have a partner observe exposed areas so they can call out pipes, wires, or other hazards you might not see from your angle. A common mistake is setting the blade too deep and nicking joists or pipes, which you prevent by measuring thickness and setting depth conservatively. Another frequent issue is failing to remove or detect nails and screws first, which causes kickback or bent blades, so sweep the surface with a magnet and inspect cut lines before starting. People also underestimate water and electrical hazards in bathrooms, so keep the area dry, shut off water and power where possible, and cut in short segments so you can stop and look beneath the board after each pass. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like bathroom subfloor removal and replacement, helping us find local professionals and letting contractors find work opportunities. We also host a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and learn from others tackling similar renovation tasks.